last minute, easy or kind of easy makeup Halloween tutorial. Halloween makeup tutorial. Anyways, I think so. And I didn't see this makeup tutorial. Then please don't watch it and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Keep on watching.
Everything you're fighting for.
So now it's time. Okay guys, now it's time for the fun part. We're doing this clown thing. I don't know really what it is. Okay guys, now it's time for the fun part. We are doing this clown makeup, so we're gonna get started. Hey guys, I've already done my hair, I've already done my base, foundation, concealer, you know, all that shit. Just because that would just take too much time and I ain't got that time. Anyways, now I'm gonna get started with like the clown makeup that I'm going to apply. And first of all, we're going to mix some colors, and I have two lipstick here. This is a more like bright red and this is a darker red, I know, and we're just gonna blend those two so we get the perfect shade, and we're gonna apply to the crease. So I have a little brush here and I'm just gonna take some color. Okay, so no, I'm not gonna do that. I changed my mind and we're just gonna apply some concealer first before the eyeshadow. I find it so much easier to do that, and we also get like brighter colors. So yeah, changed my mind. That can happen, okay? Happens to everybody. No, I can't let you go. Just a little bit. So now I'm gonna apply the red lipstick that I mixed on my hand. I'm gonna apply it to the crease. When I blend this together, I'm gonna use a brighter red because I want more red on this. I'm gonna use a palette from BH Cosmetics. Oh my god, yes. Now I'm gonna use that red. It's very bright, but I want it to be brighter and not look purplish, kind of. Yeah. So now I'm gonna end with a darker shade of red, and I'm using this one from the lipstick and kind of blend it together. To be so ungrateful. So I'm done with the cut crease. Now I'm just gonna apply some concealer to carve this shit out. I'm just gonna apply it on my actual lid, just a little bit down. It's the feeling. And now I'm just gonna blend the
dance.
But now that I've made a pretty solid cut crease, it didn't turn out that good, but I tried. Okay guys, I tried. But what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna apply some glitter, because this clown is feeling a little bit glam, bougie. So glitter, like, you can't go wrong with some glitter. So I don't have like glitter, so I'm just gonna use, what is it? I'm just gonna use a glitter eyeshadow. Use this glitter eyeshadow and this. This is a bronzy color and this kind of this white color. So it doesn't really show on the camera like the glitter, but it turned out pretty good. To just use a glitter eyeshadow, I'm pretty happy with the result, and I'm actually just gonna go in with some, where is it? Where's the brush? Yes, here. I'm just gonna go in with some red eyeshadow color again, because I kind of messed up.
Just like the street lights lit this town like a
Okay, so now I'm gonna end with some red eyeshadow color again to apply it under, what is it called? Underlid? No. Okay, so now I'm gonna end with some eyeshadow, some red eyeshadow again under my lower lash line. And I'm gonna blend or mix some colors again. I'm gonna use one red from the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, this one. So, how many times have I said okay in this video? But okay. Oh my god, like, she's such an attention seeker. No, I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. Anyways, now I'm gonna apply, instead of just following the shape of my eyes on my lower lash line, I'm gonna apply or make kind of a shadow where I'm gonna apply the eyeliner later. That just made no fucking sense, but it's kind of, what? It will be like a shadow where I'm gonna apply the eyeliner later. That just made no sense. Again, I'm sorry guys, I can't explain, but I hope I can show you. Whoa. Kind of like that. It doesn't really do as good now, but we will change. Okay, so it turned out like this. I'm okay with it. I'm so critical towards me. I'm a perfectionist. If you haven't, well, how would you see that? But anyways, I'm gonna apply it a little more. Now I'm gonna apply some eyeliner on my cut crease, kind of follow the shape of my eye. And this is something that is, I don't know, pretty hard, I guess, because if you want it to be like perfect, you have to be really careful when you're applying the eyeliner. And now the sun is messing with me and giving me like this weird color on my eyes. So before I'm gonna apply the eyeliner on my cut crease, I'm actually gonna use some eyebrow, I don't know what this is, brow pomade, just to create like a base, and then I can fill it in with the eyeliner. This is pretty dark too, so it kind of get, yeah.
There's also misery, it's no mystery, and you and I.
But now I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, as I did with the brow pomade. I'm just gonna follow the shape of it, and then I'm gonna make like a V shape onto my like forehead. I don't know, we'll see. This is the step that I can't explain because I can't explain anything. Okay, so I had kind of a mental breakdown by doing this thing. It doesn't really turn out how I wanted it to be, but what I can say is that I found it so much easier just using a smaller brush and a black eyeshadow rather than eyeliner, because this kind of messed up. But if you have a tiny eyeliner, I think it would work. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing on my other eye.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Then I want to take my small brush and do this line like I did here on this eye.
You say her name, yeah.
Okay, so my camera died, so I had to change the battery, but I finished this eye with like this line thing over there. And I also did a normal eyeliner on my eyelid, and I kind of made it dark even on my lower lash line. I took a little bit of black, and now it's time to kind of make the drops, or what I want to say, and this time I'm going to use an eyeliner and a small brush with some black eyeshadow. So I'm pretty happy with the result. I want it to be a little bit thicker, but it kind of didn't blend good, so I'm just gonna make the drop, or I'm actually just gonna do the shape of it with a black eyeshadow, as I've said like hundreds of times. But yes, I will do the round shape with some black eyeshadow, and then I would fill it in with some red. I think it looks good, yeah. Okay, that was not the most perfect round I ever seen. And as I said, I will fill in the round shape drop with some red. Okay, so I'm not happy with the result, as I always say, but I'm just gonna do it on my other eye, and yes. Okay guys, I tried to do this. Okay, I'm done with this side. Okay, so I'm done with this side. It can't be any better. I tried to do my best, but I'm not a makeup girl, okay? So it is what it is. Okay guys, it's time to do the last part. I'm really excited. I actually filmed for 5 hours, but yes, it was fun. Anyways, it's the lips, and what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 lipsticks, as I showed, and this is the more bright red and this is the darker red. I'm just gonna mix those two and make, I mean, it's easier if you have like a lip liner, but I don't, not in that color. So I'm just gonna use this tiny brush and make 2 lines. Okay, since I'm the worst YouTuber ever, I did my lips off camera because I had to charge my battery. But I don't know, it kind of was okay because they turned out really bad. I know I've been saying that about everything, but you guys are gonna do this look fine if you try it out. But me, I don't know, I just have some struggles. Anyway, I've also done some mascara, and now I'm gonna apply some lashes. Not that you need lashes to like complete this look, but I don't know, I'm extra, so. These lashes are from Your Lashes. Oh my god, she really wants to be on camera. Kiara, and I use them every time, so little lashes, you see this, holla at me, slide in my DM, you know. Okay, wait, I shouldn't have said that. So I'm actually done. I think I have a total of 4 mental breakdowns, but I'm okay. No, I'm fine. I got through it. Yeah. Anyways, if you want to take inspiration from this look, or maybe create this look on your she's back at it again. Anyways, if you guys want to create this look or take inspiration from it, I think it will look great on you. I'm just a very perfectionist, and if it doesn't turn out how I want it to be, I can be a little bit salty. So if you think that I've been like negative in this video, I'm sorry. I tried better myself. I'm gonna be better. Anyways, it's gonna be dark in the room, so I think I'm fine. But the pictures and the video maybe doesn't look the best at it. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you create it, I think it will look awesome. I hope you have a good Halloween. I'm gonna have it. I love spooky season, so kind of living for it. Anyways, I see you guys in my next video, so take care.